Hi, this is the Galaxy A05S and I'll show you how to customize Quick Launch from Power Key button on this device. So now by double press to power key, we could see that the camera app is activated, and if you wanna switch this option, for example, to open the torch or another application by double press to power key button, we should open first the settings, then tap to advanced features and click to side key. We have selected now Quick Launch Camera. We could switch it to Open Up and switch flashlight to another just application, to the calendar, for example, or just let's use maybe the gallery or just phone app. So let's try, and we could see that the phone app successfully activated. So if you want to turn off this option, you should click to the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.